We have visual contact on the anomaly.
Confirmed. Crane, slow ascent by 2 meters.
Tension now at 80%. Monitor structural integrity closely.
Affirmative. Visible stress on the midsection, but stable.
All ROVs confirm secure connection. Begin the lift sequence, very slowly. Keep eyes on the fatigue sensors.
Those lines tight.
Watch the roll on the deck.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slowly.
Grappling mechanism approaching contact.
Pressure reading stable.
Confirmed secure. Proceed with extraction.
The structural integrity looks stable here.
Check section Gamma 12. The readings are spiking.
We need to focus on the corrosion near the cable mounts.
We are aligned with Cradle 4. Proceed with lowering sequence, speed very slow.
Confirmed. Moving to secure the missile.
The diameter here is exactly 42.6. Cross-referencing with the laser grid. Looks stable.
The stabilization efforts on the pitting have held up remarkably well.
It truly emphasizes the scale of this technological achievement.
This harness routes directly into the primary guidance system.
And these hydraulic channels, are they original specifications?
Yes, fully intact.
Apply the solution slowly to avoid saturation.
Confirmed. The corrosion seems localized here.
Look closely at the gyro stabilization here. The craftsmanship is incredible.
It truly is. I've logged the position and state of the wiring harness.
That junction looks unstable.
I see it. Logging the data now for the repair sequence.
The humidity reading is spiking near the patch.
I see it. Adjusting the internal sensor array now.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially around this serial number.
I've noted the fracture pattern on the tablet.
This specific guidance mechanism, detailed in the 1962 schematics, confirms the structural integrity we see in the preserved section.
Temperature holding steady at 20 Celsius. Humidity levels are stable.
Lighting array calibrated. Cables show no strain.
Secure the stabilizing clamps on the lower fuselage. Clamps engaged, moving to the next section. Report status on the corrosion treatment.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed, 2 meters and clear. Bring it to a stop.
We managed to preserve the original coating here, while these panels had to be replaced.
Yes, that aligns with the archival footage from the era. The stabilization on this section is holding better than expected.
Yes, the original schematic confirms the alloy composition here.
The integration tolerances on the aft section are remarkable for the era.
Yes, truly a testament to their engineering foresight.
Thank you for watching. We are proud to present the RS-28 Sarmat.